But we do
atongoria honge cia magoti, uthuthuria wa thitango cia muingi, wikinae na ungumania ni magomanire umuthi giikaro-ini kiria gigutongoretio ni Mucirithania munene Martha Koome kwiguithaniria uria mekurutithania wira kuhitana na ungumania na kuheana kihoto kuri a Kenya. Koome nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria maciira makiria ma ungumania maratwarithio na mbere.
To expedite the completion of the cases that are pending for a long time, they are an embarrassment and a frustration to Kenyans. Cases of corruption that have been pending in our courts, I think the oldest case was said to be 14 years, where colossal sums of money belonging to Kenyans is arranged to have been stolen.
Nake ari igongona-ini riu munene wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji ni ahitite maabitha a wabici yake ni mekuruta maguru ngunia akiruta mukana kuhotoma kwa haaro ya ungumania ni ugwati bururi-ini.
We are committed to fighting corruption here in Kenya, and we take note that it can be a threat to our very existence and the national security of our country, and that we will pull up our socks and ensure that it does not take root and threaten the existence of this very country. And we've seen that corruption can threaten the stability of a country, and this is what we are seeing today in South Africa.
Koome ningi ni oigite namba nene ya akenya ni makoretwo magikinya magoti-ini undu uria utigite maciira maingi kwa gutugwo ni acirithania.
We are trying to see how we can reduce the number of years that, or the number of time that litigant waits in court.
Ongereire maciira mamwe matiagirire gutwaragwo magoti-ini na aruta mitaratara ingire ngitumika kumatuithania.
We can resolve them through diversion, through pre-bargaining, through court annex mediation, and we can reduce the number of cases that come to court do not need to come to court at all.
Niguo kunyihia namba ya ohwo njera-ini, Koome oigite ni makinyaniire guthurima makiria ma maciira ma ohwo a mahitia manini niguo macoke kurekererio.
If people have been sentenced for what we call misdemeanors, small offenses, and they have served a significant portion of that sentence, they need to be released to go and contribute to national building instead of staying in prison to be fed.
Hĩndĩ ya mucemanio uyu, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ni eranĩire muoroto wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kunina ngũĩ na njatũkano gatagati ka magoti na wabici yake. Mucemanio wa umuthi ukurehete honge cia igoti, uthuthuria ni cia kuhurana na ungumania hamwe, kugerera ruhonge rwa mabũrũri ma rũraya EU, unyitanĩri wa guteithĩrĩria uheani wa ihoto, kunyihia ohwo njera-ini na guteithĩrĩria ũiyũkia wa utumĩri wa mitambo ya kĩrĩu honge-inĩ ici. Mitambo ya kĩrĩu ya mũigano wa makiria ma ciringi milioni 200 ni iheirwo honge citiganĩte.
I will then call the
Ribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Wandiaki.